Hello students, I hope you all are fine at home. I am Ramanpreet Kaur, your EVS teacher, and I welcome to all of you in your EVS class. Today our topic is clothes. Clothes are that material which we use to cover our body. In today's video, we will learn all about clothes. Here I have write down few key points which will be the part of our today's discussion. First, I will read these key points. Why we wear clothes, different clothes according to season, sources of clothes, special clothes that are called uniforms, types of fibers. So these all are our key points, and now I will explain one by one. Why we wear clothes, why we wear clothes, or why we have a need to wear clothes. We have a many reasons to wear clothes. First of all, clothes are our one of basic need. Secondly, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and insect. When we wear clothes, we look more smart and presentable. So these are the reason to wear clothes. Next, different clothes according to season. We have a different type of season and different type of weather. So according to season and weather, we wear different types of clothes. First, we have a summer season. As we all know that summer is too much hot. So in this season, we prefer to wear light clothes. Cotton clothes are our first preference in summer season because cotton clothes keep us cool and absorb our sweat very easily. So we like to wear cotton clothes in summer season. Clothes like skirt, top, t-shirt, these all are example of cotton clothes. Next, we have a winter season. In winter, the weather is too much cold. So we wear woolen clothes in this season because woolen clothes keeps us warm. They protect us from cold. Clothes like gloves, cap, sweater, jacket, all are example of woolen clothes. Next, we have a rainy season. In rainy season, we prefer to wear waterproof clothes. Clothes like raincoat, gumboots are example of rainy season's clothes because they protect us from rain and keeps us dry. So we prefer to wear waterproof clothes in this season. Next, we have a sources of clothes, from where we get the material to make clothes. We have two sources of clothes. First, animal, and second one is plant. From animals we get wool, which we use to make woolen clothes, and from plants we get cotton to make cotton plants. Special clothes, uniform. Next, we have a special clothes which we called uniforms. Here some people do different jobs and special jobs. So for that they wear different type of uniforms that suits to their job. And by looking at their uniforms, we can easily identify them. For example, school going children wear school uniform. Postman has his own uniform. Policeman has his own uniform. Doctor has his own uniform. So according to their occupation, they have a different types of uniforms. Next, we have a types of fibers. We have two types of fiber, synthetic fibers and natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are called man-made fibers. Polyester, rayon, nylon are example of synthetic fibers. And natural fibers we get from plants and animals. So cotton, silk and wool are example of natural fibers. Now here we have a few points to remember. We wear different kinds of clothes according to the season. In summer we wear cotton clothes. In winter we wear woolen clothes. We use raincoat and umbrella on a rainy day. People who do special jobs wear uniform. So this was all about our chapter, and I hope you all understand this chapter. And if you have any kind of query, you can write down your message in comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.